Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're going to do a Maths GCSE Foundation question based on the predicted papers for 2023 because someone's emailed in asking for some help with that. But I first want to say thank you to the viewers. I can now say around the world. I've had a look at the stats and we've got some views in the Philippines, which is excellent. So thank you. Do please email in if you have some specific questions. A lot of viewers from India, so thank you. From the United States and South Africa, and then of course here in the UK. So just saying thank you to all those who are viewing and liking and subscribing, so thank you. We're now going to look at some questions based on the predicted papers for 2023. First question had a triangle and it had angles 63, 62 and say X there. So we know that three angles add up to 180 degrees. So 63 plus 62 is 125. I know that an equilateral triangle would have all of them equal to 60, so I'm just a little bit more than that. So I want a little bit less there. And in fact, I just want 5 less. So it's 180 minus 125, and it's 55 degrees. So that topic there is angles and angle properties. The next question looked at area and had a parallelogram, perpendicular height of 10 and a base or length there of 9. And it's very similar to a rectangle. The area is perpendicular height times the base. So I just do 9 times 10. You get 90. So that topic there is area. Okay, and that one was angles. Let's take a look at the next one. This said there were 3 cards, 33, 22, 7, and then a fourth one. Now you've got to work out what that fourth card is, but you know that the mean of those is 20. So we know if we add up 33 plus 22 plus 7 plus, let's call it X, it's going to equal, and we divide it by 4, we'd get 20. That's how we work out the mean. Add them all up and divide by the number of terms there are, and we get 20. So we know that 55 plus 7 plus X is going to equal 80. Just multiplying through there by 4. So I get 62 plus X is 80. Solve this equation, X equals 18. So its averages would be the topic there, but I've had to use a bit of algebra. Okay? So I hope that helps those two topics. Let's look at a fourth question. This question said that there were green and black counters in a bag and that 1/6 of the counters were black. We then know that 5/6 are green. They're asking us what's the ratio of green to black. So this is where fractions are similar but not exactly the same as ratio. If I have 5/6 to 1/6, I know that the ratio then is 5 to 1. Fractions include the denominator. Ratio doesn't. Okay, let's look at 2 more questions. Sorry if the backing is just a little bit bright there. Look at 2 more questions. Question number 5. It's going to be a 2-way table. Boys and girls, and they have favorite colors, red, green, blue. And they tell us that there's a total of 50 children, okay? And 20 of them are boys. 8 of the boys like blue, 11 of the girls like green, 7 of the boys like red, and a total number of 18 like red. And we've got to fill in the rest of the gaps. So it's a 2-way table question. I know that that must lead to 50 if I add that, so that one must be 30. 7 plus that must equal 18, so that must be 11. 7 plus that one plus 8 must equal 20, so that's going to be 5. 5 and 11 is 16. 11 plus 11 is 22, meaning I need 8 there, and 8 plus 8 is 16. that must add 50, and those three must add to 50. That's 32, 42, 50. So I know that's fine. They haven't extended this question, but they could get into probability and fractions on that topic as well. But this is two-way table. Okay, one last question for today. We're going to do a little bit of algebra. It asks us to rearrange f equal to 3 bracket m plus 5. And we're going to make m the subject of the formula. So m is going to be the subject. So it's like solving for m. I'm going to divide by 3, can drop the brackets, and then I'm going to subtract 5. And there's m on its own as the subject of the formula. Okay, so that's algebra as a main topic, but rearranging or subject of the formula as the topic there. Okay, and that's 6 questions based on some GCSE Maths Foundation 2023 predicted papers. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to those viewers around the world. Hope to add some more flags next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.